morning, everybody. It is Monday, and I decided to vlog for the week because I got a couple things going on. It's like 9 o'clock. I'm making Jeremiah and Josh some breakfast. Josh has to leave to go show some houses or something, or do a walkthrough for a house or something like that. I don't remember, but I'm gonna make him a chorizo burrito, and then Jerry just likes chorizo, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm reheating some cauliflower bites that I made yesterday, and that's gonna be my breakfast. But I just wanted to say hello and welcome you to this vlog. I don't really know what this vlog is going to be called, or the style. It's kind of just like I'm gonna just take you with me everywhere and everything I do, kind of just like my life, I guess. Gotta clean, I got some dishes I need to clean. Got some dishes right there. So this is my breakfast, just a bunch of fried cauliflower. I actually just did a little Instagram stories tutorial. If you go to my highlights on my Instagram page, you'll see the little tab that says recipes. I'll show it somewhere on the screen. And if you click on it, you can see how to make these exact ones. And I also do have a YouTube video on it as well. If you want to check that out, I'll link that somewhere down below or on the screen. Jerry's eating his chorizo. His chorizo. Chorizo. Do you like chorizo?
Yeah.
It's hot, you gotta be careful.
All the time, all the time.
Oh, you just eat it all the time, so it's fine? You're just used to it?
Yeah.
Jerry has a speech delay, but he is learning how to talk so much.
I Fortnite.
Yeah, I see Fortnite.
Yeah, Fortnite, I did Fortnite.
Anthony likes Fortnite?
Yeah.
What are you drinking, Jerry?
I'm drinking tea.
You're drinking tea?
Yeah.
Jerry got a pinky up right there. See you? You're so fancy. So Anthony's already at school. I take him at like 8:40, and then it's usually just me and Jerry here because Mr. Real Estate Agent, leaves us and he has to go put in that work. If you're in Arizona and you need someone to help you buy a home, sell a home, this is your man. So yeah, we're just gonna eat, and then I will just see you guys when I see you guys. Good morning, you guys. It is April 16th. That's a Tuesday. It's 9 o'clock. I'm on my way to my doctor's appointment. Josh is putting Jerry in the car seat. And I thought today was going to be the day we found out what we were having. And it still might be, but I don't think it is now. I think I read everything wrong because things just go right over me sometimes, I swear. But just wanted to check in with you guys. I didn't vlog really much yesterday. I just did what I did. You guys saw it, of course. And now I'm going to go to my doctor's appointment. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me. And that's what we're doing right now. Hi, Jerry.
Hi.
Say hello. So right here, I have to pee so bad, but I don't know if I have to pee in a cup. So I'm waiting. But I have to go so bad. So we're in the room. We only have one chair. And this little baby. My shorts don't really fit that good on my stomach. Alright guys, it's like almost 11 o'clock. It's 10:48. And I can't believe, first of all, I can't believe how long it took me to be seen. We got there at like 9:15, and my appointment was at 9:30, and I didn't get seen till like almost 10. Then waited another like 15 minutes for the doctor. Had a quick like 5-10 minute talk with him, and it was a different doctor than I usually have. I've been having the same female OB since my first 3 appointments, and I really like her. She was my OB with Jeremiah too. And then I just got this guy today, but he was really nice. He was really cool. And unfortunately, we weren't able to find out the gender today. I'm still like a little too early. Not that I'm too early, but they just want the most accurate reading and they want the baby to be a little bit bigger. So I have to wait a little bit over 4 weeks. So I don't go until like May like 18th or something. So right when I'm 20 weeks is when I will find out. We're going to the dollar store really quick, the 99-cent store. Don't sleep on the 99-cent store. And then we're gonna take Jerry to a surprise. Jerry, do you want me to tell you where we're going? Let's see if you know. Where are we going? Do you know what that is? What is it? Yeah, where is that at? It's over there? You see it over there? We go to Peter Piper Pizza! Woohoo!
Oh yeah, we go there.
Oh yeah, we go there. Here we got pizza and mac and cheese. And he's watching Alvin and the Chipmunks. So I'm home from taking Jerry to school. Kind of tired. Kind of want to take a nap. But I think I'm going to clean my makeup room. Because it needs to be cleaned. I have all my stuff on my hand. He's working. He's so busy. Alright, you guys already see my makeup room. This isn't like dirty so far, right? This is my backdrop. This is what I hang it up on. 2 clothing racks with little, I don't know what those are called. Little hook things. But this is where it gets real. Let's open up the blinds in here. Get some light. I'm gonna open my window too. Get fresh air. Oh, it's windy. It's gonna make my blinds freak out. So when I film, a lot of the time Jerry's in here with me. So that's why a lot of stuff is on the floor, because I let him play with my makeup because he thinks it's like coloring. So he likes to color with eyeshadows. This is Jerry's little palette. And he plays with blocks in here. Josh doesn't like when I let him play with makeup because it's makeup. I honestly don't have a problem with him playing with the makeup. He doesn't think it's makeup. Like, he doesn't know what makeup is, you know. He just thinks it's something that he can color with. It's like another type of crayon or paint or something, you know, and it's shimmery. And he just likes to draw on himself and do all that kind of stuff. So I let him just be creative. I don't put that on him, you know. He's little. It don't matter, you know. I'm just gonna show you guys how I clean this whole mess up, because this is after a couple filming sessions. Things just build up. That's the reality of it. So I am going to clean up now. So let's do this. Alright, so I haven't picked up my camera in a couple hours because we went and picked up the boys from school. We were chilling for a little bit, and I did end up cleaning my makeup room, but my memory card ran out of memory, so I had to go delete a bunch of stuff off my memory card, like the tutorial that I just filmed yesterday. Well, I realized that it stopped recording the camera when I was cleaning. I was like already deep into my cleaning, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna finish and I'll show them after. So let me show you my makeup room now. So it's kind of dark in here because the sun's already setting, but I cleaned everything off. This is all nice and clean. I wiped it down. I wiped my desk and everything. This is all I have in here, just my charger, my little adapter, a towel, because I always have a towel. My carpet is like ruined in here from makeup and other things. And I have my jewelry in here now instead of on my dresser. It's me. Hi. Clean my mirror. I dusted everything, the borders of it. I have these cute little lights that I love. I dusted my little thing here. I don't know what this is called, a shelf. And I put all my makeup in there, my camera, my big camera right here. Reorganized my lipsticks and stuff. And then I put my backdrop thing in my closet. So this is what's in my closet. I have a random printer where I don't know where that came from. I have my clothing racks. And then I have some Halloween props and stuff up there, and costume stuff. And then in here, there's a bunch of more backdrops, but they're just too short. And then I have some posters and random boxes, like from my chandelier and from these things and all that kind of stuff. We're gonna go make dinner now. So for dinner tonight, I'm gonna try to make for the first time these stuffed shells, kind of like this picture. And I'm making the boys spaghetti. I've never made those before, so we're gonna see how that turns out. I'll show you guys, obviously. I'm gonna make some like fresh garlic bread, and yeah, I'm gonna start cooking. It's about 6 o'clock, so let's get to it. And someone's calling me. Who is it? It's probably my brother. No, it's my mom. Let's see what my mom wants to say. Let's see. Hey, Mom. I'm vlogging. Oh, hi. You're on my vlog now. Oh, hi. Hi, Mickey. How are you? So this is the recipe that I'm following. Spinach and ricotta stuffed shells. So this is what it's supposed to look like at the end. So let's see. I have everything I need. I have, okay, preheat the oven to 375. Cook the pasta, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Alright, I'm going to be cooking 2 plates, 2 different meals, at one time. So, gotta multitask my little butt away. So I'm going to set you guys somewhere and we're going to get started. Alright, so I have the spinach cooked. I already turned it off because it said not to let it cook all the way. I need time to put the noodles in. And it said to make extra ones because of like them breaking or something. So I don't know if I'm gonna make this whole box. It's just me eating it. Alright, so my shells are almost done. They've been cooking for about 5 minutes. So they're almost done. I have the marinara sauce. This is the one I'm using. I was gonna make like a homemade one from scratch, but I was like, you know what? I have a lot of cooking I need to do right now. I will do that next time. I just hope I do this right in general. So, and I mixed together all of this stuffing, which is ricotta cheese, grated Parmesan, salt and pepper, mozzarella right here, mozzarella, an egg, and then the spinach. And I mixed all that up. And now it says just to wait until those babies are done. So I'm done making the boys spaghetti. And I already have my shells in there stuffed. I'm going to show you guys the final product. How's mommy's spaghetti? Is it good?
Good.
You like my spaghetti?
Mm-hmm.
How's the spaghetti, Jerry?
Yes.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Woohoo! What did you call me?
The best cooker as a mom.
The best cooker as a mom in the world?
I want it. Yeah, yummy.
It's yummy?
Yeah.
Jerry likes a lot of meat on his, so I always have to pick out some extra meat for little homie. Okay, so I'm going to make my homemade garlic bread. One's going to be just the garlic bread, and then one's going to be with cheese, because Josh doesn't like cheese. I make this mixture myself. My mom has been doing it like this for as long as I can remember. It's just butter, some parsley flakes, some basil, a ton of garlic powder, and pepper. So I'm gonna take it on the back of a spoon and I'm going to spread it just like this. So I'm only gonna top one of them with the cheese. Like I said, I'm just gonna use whatever mozzarella I had left over from the shells and just coat the bread. All right, now it's ready to go in the oven. All right, so here are my stuffed shells. They look so delicious. Fun fact, I've actually never even had a stuffed shell before, so I don't know what it's supposed to taste like, but I know it's gonna taste really good, so I'm excited. So here's my plate. That's my garlic cheese bread, and I'm going to taste my food. I'm nervous because this is my first time ever making the shells. I just hope I did it good. Let's see. Oh my god. That is so good. My bread is probably so hot. I can feel it. I can feel the steam. I'll take a little bite. I dipped it in some of the marinara sauce. Oh, it's gonna burn my mouth. I need to know that. I know that. Oh, it's so hot. I'm pretty proud of myself, if I do say so myself. These taste amazing. This is so good. I'm so happy that it came out good. I was actually really nervous. So yeah, after this, I'm just gonna finish cleaning my kitchen. I cleaned pretty much everything already as the shells were finishing up in the oven and stuff, and the bread. I cleaned up everything. I just need to pick up downstairs a little bit. And then after that, I'm gonna just chill, watch TV, and wait for Josh to come home and not really do anything. So I'm gonna just close out the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm trying to get on my vlog game, so you'll definitely see more. I'm gonna be vlogging for Easter and everything. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. They love Easter. So yeah, be on the lookout for that Easter vlog. That'll be the next one coming at you guys. And then yeah, until then, I will see you guys in my next video.